Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today informed the State Assembly that rules are being framed for the various committees under the Benami Transaction Act and the final consultations with the different departments are on. Replying to a query raised by VPP MLA from Nongkrem constituency, Arden N. Basayamot, on to the total number of cases detected under the Benami Transaction Act, the Chief Minister replied that there is only one case and that there is no question of detection of the cases are registered based on complaints. He also informed that if there are any issues, it can be taken up with the district administrators or the superintendents of police. Meanwhile, Congress MLA from Gamba Grey constituency, Saling Sangma, said that it is important to keep a check on the Benami transaction as it is also related to the issue of illegal influx.
So the rules are being framed now, and once these rules are framed as per the amended Act of 2018, so the rules are being framed, and once these rules are framed, so the rules are in fact already ready, so only final consultation with different departments, as always is done, is being pursued. Very shortly, sir, the rules will be out, sir.
Minister in charge Agriculture and Farmers